Hi, are you feeling anxious, tense, or overstimulated? I will be sharing a 2-minute grounding ritual you can do anywhere to instantly reset, feel calm and peaceful. You don't need hours of meditation to feel calm. Even a short, consistent practice reconnects you with your body and your energy. So let's start. You can stand or sit with feet on the floor. Take a slow, deep breaths. Inhale and exhale. Imagine roots growing from your feet into the earth, releasing all the tension. Feel all the heaviness flow down and allow Earth's energy to return to you. Inhale and exhale again. Now, how do you feel? Next, we'll explore what happens when you absorb other people's energy. And I will share a simple technique with you that leaves you feeling lighter, clearer, and refreshed. There's a link in the description. I'll see you in my next video.